Namaste, welcome to Hamsa Yoga. This is me, Gangothri yogini. Welcome back to Vajra Mudra episode 24. So today's video you're going to learn a very important and very beneficial mudra. Before going to the mudra practice or what is the mudra, do subscribe to our channel and click bell icon if you've not seen a previous episode on mudra. The link is down in the description box. Just check out the description box and see all the episode of the mudras. Let's begin today's topic. The Vajra Mudra. Today I am going to talk about a Vajra Mudra. Vajra Mudra is a very important mudra. It comes under the yoga mudra practice. This mudra is very beneficial for your physical, mental and emotional benefits, and also create a very good health and make you physically, mentally and emotionally equally balanced. This mudra is also known as thunderbolt mudra. The Vajra means a diamond. So how does the diamond will be there? So the quality of the diamond will be increasing of practicing of this Vajra mudra. By practicing of this regularly Vajra mudra, it reduces the laziness and increase the energy in the body. This mudra is look like a very simple but very powerful mudra that can be easy to perform by everyone. So let us see how to perform the Vajra Mudra. Bring your all three fingers together to your thumb finger. Let your index finger be straight, pointed. Now slowly extend your thumb finger. It's look like denoting the weapon. It is a weapon which transforms into the wisdom. So the duration of this mudra is 10 to 15 minutes. Precaution. There is no precaution for this Vajra Mudra. Anyone can practice this mudra, but a very important point is you should just lightly press your fingers without more pressure. The benefits of Vajra Mudra. So by practicing of this Vajra Mudra, it reduces the stiffness, tightness in the body, and also very good mudra for the low blood pressure. Since the hair forcing at the Vajra Mudra, it stimulates the blood circulation and also respiratory system in the body. This Vajra Mudra also detoxifies the body and removes the fungal and stiffness in the body that comes after sitting or sitting for a long time. By performing this mudra, it increases the immunity power and also improve your memory power as well. Daily practicing of this mudra brings your heart healthy and improves the function of your heart and good for your blood circulation. That's it for today. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, click a like button and share this video with your friends and family. If you have any question or if you want to write down how is the video, you can just write down in the comment section and share this video with your friends and family. Let's do mudra every day. Let's become more healthy and fit. So keep smiling always. See you on next mudra episode. Namaste.